become visible and share screen. Yeah, okay. So your question was uh, no, I can't see you, na. If I can't see you, I don't get my energy. So plus you have to be audible, video on, audio on. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
You are not visible, na.
Uh,
So we were here with 4 digits filled in. Your question was why we choose something. I told there we have a choice. Okay, and next time we can fill either this Sudoku or some other Sudoku, and you will tell how to begin. Okay, next time you will take the action. Now I am taking the action. You are listening. Okay, and then we will see
yes.
how to do. And that is the next step. So
Uh,
now here we have chosen this place, the top left. uh, there is a 5 here and we want to fill in a 5, and
yes.
there is a 5 here. So so there can be no 5s here because in this row there is already a 5. Then you see a 5 below, and so it means that in that column we cannot have any 5s. Okay,
Hmm.
so now that leaves
Sir,
only one
which number we
place.
have chosen here?
5.
Five.
You have chosen 5
Yes.
here. Okay, so now only one place 5 can be filled in. Okay, so we have filled in a 5 here. So now let us proceed. So one more thing has been filled in. Now, see, so far, no, we are trying to fill in boxes. Okay,
Huh.
now uh, we will see, we could have chosen rows or columns to fill in also. Okay, so now let us look at columns. We had a lot of boxes,
Huh.
right? Now we'll choose the third column. Now your question can be why the third column? Because third column,
Huh.
we already have 6 numbers are filled in. Only 2 empty spaces are there.
Huh.
So it should be easier to fill in. Compared to the fourth column or fifth column, I will not choose those because those have 6 things that are filled in. The 6 empty spaces. So that will be more difficult. Okay.
Huh.
The third column has got only,
If there will be less empty space, it will be easy for us.
yeah, less empty space, it will be easier. Why it will be easier? Because you see, less empty space, what to fill in? 1, 2, 3 are filled in, 4 is missing, and 6 is missing. So that means we know that in these two spaces, see, in these two spaces, uh, only 4 and 6 can come in. Do you understand that? Okay. In this space, we can have 4 or 6, and in this space,
Yes.
we can have 4 or 6. Right? Because only
But
those two are missing.
4 and 6.
4 or 6. We can't have both. Right now, we don't know which one. So we'll find out which one. So, but in these two spaces, we can have 4 or we can have 6.
No,
Because
I
all
can't understood
numbers
this.
are filled in, right?
I
So,
can't understood this.
see, uh, now there are 2 empty spaces, right?
Yes.
Okay, now in this empty space, can you tell what numbers can go in? Can anything go in or something specific will go in? See, you already have, say, here 1, 2 and 8 are here, so they cannot go in. Okay, you have 5, 3 and 7, so they cannot go in. Because that will be a violation. So then what is remaining? 1, 2, 3 cannot go in, 4 is remaining, then 5 cannot go in, 6 is remaining. So we can have only, yeah.
We can, where you have pointed the cursor, in that 6.
In that we can have 4 or 6. That's what I'm saying now. Then we will come to which
have 4. I didn't know have 4.
No, we can have 4 or we can have 6. See, why 4? Because you see in this column, in this full column, you don't have 4 anywhere, na? Where is 4? See, we have 2 empty spaces and 4 and 6 are missing. In this column, 4 and 6 are missing. See, 1, 2, 3 are there, 4 is not there, 5 is there, 7, 8 are there. Okay, so 4 and 6.
But in the second column, we can't have 6.
In this one?
Yes.
You can't have 6 because you have a 6 here.
Yes.
Right, you notice that? That's very good. See, you have a 6 here, so you cannot have a 6 here. Because you cannot have a 6 here, that means this must be a 4, and then on top this must be a 6.
6. Yes.
You get this? So by elimination, you know, because it cannot be a 6, so it has to be a 4. So this one has to be a 4. Okay.
We can have the missing number also.
No, so missing numbers were 4 or 6, of which we cannot have 6 because 6 is here. So this column.
Yes, we can see the. If there is a thing missing, we can see in that and we can put it there.
Yes, yes. So what is missing in the column? We saw 4 and 6. Then we looked for in the rows. What number is already there? So we saw 6 is there. So 6 cannot be here. So it has to be 4.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the logic. Okay. So which I have written there. You read here what have I written? Look at the columns now. There are other ways to, yeah. We have two empty spaces only. But what can go in there? The column already has 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. So only 4 and 6 are missing, are remaining. So in the 2 empty spaces, 4 must go in one place and 6 in another. 4 must go in one place and 6 in another. So the question is where 4 and where 6, which we discussed now. Now, so we see here that 6 is already here. So 6 cannot go into here. So I have marked it by blue cross. 6 cannot go in here. So if 6 cannot go in here, 4 can go in here. And so after 4 goes in here, here 6 can go in here. Because that is the only space remaining and only 6 is remaining. There is no other choice. Okay.
Sir, why there is no numbers more than 8?
Because this is a 8 by 8 Sudoku, 1 to 8.
Okay.
Normally you will have a 9 by 9 Sudoku. So there you will have number from 1 to 9. Okay. You can have a 6 by 6 Sudoku. You will have numbers 1 to 6. So because there are less numbers here, this is little easier. That is why we are doing this first. Then later we will do only 9 by 9 Sudokus. The standard Sudoku is 9 by 9.
Yes.
Okay, and then there will be 9 boxes. Here there are 8 boxes, 8 rows, 8 columns, 8 boxes. The standard Sudoku has 9 rows, 9 columns, 9 boxes, numbers 1 to 9. Yeah, now what are other ways to progress? Now see, we looked at filling boxes. We looked at filling columns. I'm teaching you here different ways to solve the Sudoku. So one way is filling boxes. One way is filling columns. Now look at the third way. Okay, so this is number 3. Now we will see. So now let us look at empty spaces which are together in the same box and see if there is some number that cannot go in there. So let us see what it means. Now we are looking at 3 empty spaces here. In this box, there are 3 empty spaces.
Yes.
So now what is the fun with the empty space? Okay, see, in this empty space, you see outside this box, 3 and 6 are here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what
we can have 4 here.
No, so you see 3 and 6 are here. In this, that means in this line, in this empty space, you cannot have 3 or 6. So that is very interesting. So now 3 cannot go in anywhere here. 6 is already, so that is not interesting for us. See, 6 is here in this box, but we want to find out where 3 can go in this box. Okay. So because why 3? Because 3 is missing, and because 3 is not allowed here. So 3 is not allowed here. So where else can 3 go? Now 3 can go into one of these 2 boxes. 3 can go into this box. Let us see. 3 can go into this box, and
so the left side box.
3 can go into this box. These 2 boxes 3 can go in. But there is a 3 already here.
Yes, that's why it can go only at the left side
go in
box.
Here. So it can only go here. Okay. So that's the idea. So you know, so we found another method also, and we know how to fill in a 3 there. Okay. Now it is getting more, we are getting into more difficult methods. Okay. See, now some other empty spaces that together are this. These 3 spaces. Here, this one, this one, this one. These 3 are together. Now let us see what we can find there. You see that there is a 4 here. So these 2 cannot have a 4. Okay. And there is also a 4 here. So here also you cannot have a 4. That means, you know, in these 3 spaces which are in light orange kind of shade, you cannot have 4. So now only the yellow space that is remaining in that entire box where nothing is there, and where 4 can be there. Okay, because 4 cannot. Why 4 must be here?
Put 4 only.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, no, maybe other things can be put, but 4 does not go in anywhere else. So we have to put 4 here, because in every box you got to have 1 4. Okay. So that's the reason 4 will come here. So now you see we are almost halfway through the complexity. Now we have filled in the 4. And so this is, see how many we have already filled in. There are many that are filled in. Now another, let us see, contiguous. We are talking of where we have contiguous blank spaces. Okay. So now this is interesting. You have some blank space here. These 3, you have a blank space. Okay. Now what is interesting is you see 1 and 7 here. This 1 and 7, because they are in this row as this blank space, you cannot have 1 and 7 here. So where can 1 and 7 go? 1 and 7 can go into the top 2 yellow spaces. Okay. But we don't know where 1 will go and where 7 will go. See, normally what would have happened is we would have seen on top, you know, this column had 1, then we will say that this one 7 will go. If this column had 1, we would say that this one 7 will go. But we don't know. But what we know is 1 can go in here or 7 can go. What we also know is in this yellow, 1 can go.
We can put 1 anywhere and 7 anywhere.
No. You can put only in this in 2 yellow spaces, 1 or 7.
Yes.
We don't know which one.
Yes, we can put anywhere.
Not anywhere. We will find later. No. You cannot put blindly anywhere. We will find out later.
Not that. I am saying, yes, the answer is like that.
Yeah, so the answer is like that. So this is called a pair. So 1 or 7, 1 or 7. Okay. When will we know? When we will know? We will know it later. We will know it later. So then the next one is, see, so we have filled this in, or we have half filled this in, not completely, because we are not sure. Now, the next one is, look at this bottom left box. You will see that 2 and 3 cannot go together in the 7th row. See, the next interesting thing is, see, you have 2 and 3 here. Okay, because 2 and 3 is here, so 2 and 3 cannot go anywhere here. Okay, yes. Because 2 and 3 cannot go anywhere here, that means again you see in the bottom here there are 2 spaces remaining.
Sir, can you show all the that Sudoku part?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so because 2 and 3 are here.
Sir, we can have 2 in the left side and 3 in the right side.
Why?
Because it has a 3 upside. In the left side.
Because there's a 3 here.
Yes.
Because there's a 3 here, this one cannot be 3. So it has to be 2. Similarly, you have a 2 here. So this one has to be a 3.
3.
Got it? You noticed it, right? So that's how it works. So you got this one. I did not tell, you got it. Okay. So now, so this is the 2 and 3 that you noticed. Okay. So now it will get filled like this. So because there is a 3 there, because there is 3 here, you will fill this with 2. Yeah. And so if this is 2, you don't even have to look at this one top. This automatically becomes a 3.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now you see so many things are filled in there. Now you see next to it in the same row, the bottom row, you have got 3 blues. 3 empty spaces are there, which are marked as blue.
Yes.
What do you think can go in there?
One can go there. 1 go in the first box.
1, 2, 3, 4 cannot go in there because they are already there. See.
No. Which squares are you saying? Which 3 squares?
The blue one. The 3 blue.
Yes.
What can go in there?
So the 3 blues first one near the 4.
Now first you tell those 3, which 3 numbers will go in there? Or what cannot go in there?
The first one will be 1.
No, it cannot be 1, no, because on top you have 1 or 7 there. Already 1 or 7 are there. So in the bottom you cannot have
No, not that. No. I am saying the bottom of the 2. The bottom of the 2.
Bottom of the 2. Here, this one.
Yes. We can have 1 in there.
You cannot have 1 there, no. You cannot have 1 because you see, you check out these. You have got 1.
Yes. 4, there is a 1 here.
7 in that row. Okay. You cannot have 2, 3, 4 also. So what can you have here?
Is there an eastern side?
Sir, we can have 8.
7 minutes.
Correct. Then
Arunachal Pradesh in the east have 95 degree, 25 minutes, 97 degrees.
Sir, then 6.
So 5, 6, 8 are remaining, na? 5, 6 and 8 are
What's the
remaining.
time?
So you can have 5, 6 or 8 there. Right?
If
In
they are
these three, na,
certain long,
you will
they
have
are
5,
certain
6 or 8.
ahead from longer
Yes.
from each other.
Okay. So now
So
in this column you have 5 or 6 are there.
It's 2 hours.
Yes.
2 hours.
So this one has to be 8. It cannot be 5 or 6. It has to be only 8.
2
Ah.
hours.
Correct? Now 5 or 6
Ah.
are remaining. So 5 can go in here or here. Which one? Now you see there's a
The
6
local
here.
The 5 can go in the last
The
one.
local time.
Ha, because there's a 6 there. So 5 will come in here
82 degrees,
and 6 will come in here.
East
Yes.
is the standard time of India throughout the country. Because the time is called
Okay. So
Yes.
now this is done.
Yes.
All watches or times depend in India depend on this time. So this is called
Okay, so this is how it looks now.
Yes.
Okay. Now you see the last row is filled in completely. The last row is completely filled in. Third column is
Western or Eastern.
Only two things are two
So lot of
squares
work is
are.
done now. So lot of work is already done. Okay. Now go to 7th column where 6 spaces are filled and only 2 remain. You see the
Yes.
7th column. Here only 2 spaces are remaining. This yellow I have marked in yellow. Okay. What do you think can go in those yellow spaces?
Yellow spaces. So 5.
Yeah, in that column. No, you tell me how you are thinking. You are correct. Your answer is correct. 5 can go in and 8 can go in. Because in
Yes.
this column, that 7th column, 5 and 8 are missing. You see, 5 and 8 are
Yes.
missing. So in the 2 blank spaces, you will have 5 and 8. Now,
Down the bottom one will have 5 and the upper one will have 8.
why? Why? Your answer is correct, but why? Because you have a 5 here. In this box, there is
Yes.
already a 5. Yeah, in this row also, you already have a 5. So this has to be 8. And this is 5. Right? So now we go down further. So now this is filled in. Now,
Yes.
slowly you see we are making a lot of progress. Okay. Now we are getting to what I call the home stretch. What is meaning of home stretch? Can you tell me?
Home stretch.
Home stretch. It has nothing to do with Sudoku. It is an English term. Home stretch.
No, I didn't know.
See, home stretch means you are coming in a long journey and you have come very near home. So that is home stretch. So let us say that you went to Bhubaneswar and you are coming back by car.
Yes.
And then after Chhatrapur is covered, you feel very happy. Now, now I have come near home. Or after you leave the highway and you come into the smaller roads, then you say, and speed slows down. Oh, we have already reached home. Okay. You have not really reached. So that is called the home stretch. The last part before reaching home. So here, what is home? The completed Sudoku is our home, right? So we have come near that now. Now see what next. The last column has 3 empty spaces. Last column here has 3 empty spaces. Okay.
Yes.
So, and what is remaining? So what can fill in there? See, 1 or 7 we know. 1 is not there. 7 is not there. Then 3, 4, 5.
We should keep there 1.
No,
1 or 7.
3, 4, 5, 6 are filled. You see, so 8 is also missing. Where will you fill in 8 first? You tell me.
8.
See, 1, 7, 8 in this last column, in this last brown shaded column, once there are 3 empty boxes and 1, 7.
8 will be at the bottom side, the bottom one.
No, bottom one is 1, 7, 8, na? 1 or 7?
No,
Oh,
not
this
that,
one.
not that.
This
I
one.
am not saying yes, that one.
Yeah. This one has to be 8 because here you have 1 or 7. 1 and 7 are there marked.
Yes.
Correct? So this one has to be 8. Now then this one has to be 1 because 7 is here.
Yes.
Okay. So then this one has to be 7. So
Ah.
till now we did not know what it will be, but now this will be 7. And because this is 7, then this other one, this other yellow we marked 1 or 7, then this has to be 1.
Yes.
Okay. So we solved so many more now quickly. So let us see how this will look now. Now this is how it is looking. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us see. We are now towards the end. I told you home stretch. So we'll see. Third row has 1 and 7 yellow shaded. So in third row, last column, we saw all this. Now fifth column, seventh row, whose value is 1 or 7, can be now be fixed. Yes. Let us now consider the sixth column. In the sixth column, 1, 4, and 7 are missing. You see, 2 is there, 3 is there, 1 and 4 are not there.
1,
4 and 7 are missing.
the most upper one, most up.
Most upper one, yes. What will you have there?
Can you show it? The most upper one in the column.
What will you fill there?
We will fill there 4.
4. Why 4?
Because in that there is no 4 in.
No,
In
but
the
why not
line.
1? Why not 1 or 7? We said 1, 4, and 7 are missing. No?
Because 1 is there. 1 is there here.
Because 1 and 7 are here. So it has to be 4 here. Okay. So now 1 and 7 are missing.
After the bottom 6. After bottom 6.
Then what will come in here?
Here the 7 will become.
No. Here you see, if 7 comes here, then what will come here?
1.
No, but you have a 1 here.
Yes. So we will have a 1 in the bottom of 6.
So you will have 1 here and you will have 7,
and 7 here. Yes.
Okay. But you see now it is very interesting that you filled from the top. Okay, you filled from the top. You said that on the top 7, 1 is there, 7 is there, 1 is there, so it will be 4. But I had started filling from the bottom. I said that 1 and 4 are here, so 7 will be here. Okay, so in many times, like I told you, there are many ways to approach. Okay, and both are correct. It depends on what you want to do. So now it looks like this. Now let us see.
Why there is 5 or 8?
See why there is 5 or 8? Because you see this box. In this box, 2 empty spaces are there. If you go to the previous, if you go to this previous one, here there are 2 empty boxes. Just a minute. Did not fill in. See here, there are 2 empty boxes, right? In these 2 empty boxes, what can go in? Can you tell?
5 or 8.
5 or 8, because all the others are filled in.
So can you show that upper one, upper side of Sukuda? Yes.
Okay, so it is 5 or 8.
So we should have 5 or 8.
So we should have 5 or 8.
Keep there for some time.
For some
time.
Then
we will know about the.
Exactly, then we will know. And then comes the top right box, the top right box has 7 numbers filled. See another interesting thing. You see here, this box, this box you see, there are 7 numbers are filled. Only there is one empty space.
Huh.
So that is easy. So you have to find out which one is missing, which number is missing.
Four.
No, 4 is
Four
here.
should can't be there. Four. So can you show the bottom side?
No, from this box only, no, you see this box. 1, 2.
No. Yes. Can you show full circular box?
Yeah.
Yes. It can be 6.
It can only be 6. It can only be 6 because all the others, see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 in this box. So it can only be 6, right? So, and
Yes.
then you see the same thing is with this. 7 things are filled in this box. In this box, 7 things are filled. Only this empty space is there.
7.
7 is missing. Yeah. Okay. So this is 6. This is 7, and this we said is 5 or 8, right? So,
Yes.
so we go into the next. We have filled in the 6. We have filled in the 7. We have filled in the 5 or 8.
Huh.
Now let us see. Here, this third row
Yes.
which I shaded now. Now in that you see 2 empty spaces are there. Okay. And what is missing? Which numbers are missing?
The numbers are missing. 5.
And two empty spaces means 2 numbers must be missing.
Yes. 5 and 2.
Excellent. Okay. Now, so where will you put in 5? Where will you put in 2?
The most left will be the 2 question marks one.
It will be what?
5.
5. It will be 5 because here you have 2, right?
Yes.
So, and then if that is 5, then this has to be 2.
Yes.
Okay. So good. So you have filled in one more. Now this one, this is how it looks. Okay. Now the next one was when we have filled in this 5 and 2, we are looking at this column. Okay.
Yes.
Now in this column, you see again there are 2 empty spaces. Why we are picking? Because only 2 are remaining. So it is easy. Okay.
Yes.
So you have 2 empty spaces. And so what are the 2 numbers missing in this?
The 2 numbers are missing.
1, 2, 3. Then something is missing.
8 is missing.
8 is missing. What else is missing?
8 and 3.
No, 3 is here.
Yes. I saw the 3. 4 is missing. 4.
4. So 4 and 8. Okay. Now in these two, we'll have 4 and 8. So which will be 4? Which will be 8?
The down one.
Down one.
That will be 4.
But you have a 4 here.
8 there. 8 there.
Correct. So this will be 8 and this will be 4.
4. And the 5 or 8 one, the
Where? 5 or 8 one?
the purple mark.
Ha.
Yes. The upper one.
Yeah,
Yes. That will be 5.
that has to be 5. And so if that is 5, then the one below is 8.
8.
Okay. And then another interesting thing. Now you see this one.
Yes.
There is only one remaining. So what it will be? Only one number is remaining. So what is that?
8.
8. Excellent. And what is remaining here? Here also only one is remaining. In this row, only one number is remaining.
Yes. 3.
Very good. So you see how much has been filled now. So let us see the next one. It will show clean matrix now. Not this. We have covered all that. You had filled in 8 here and 3 here. This is how we had filled in. Okay. So now very little is now see very little is remaining. What will you fill in here?
Yes.
Which is
4 and 8.
So where 4? Question mark or double question mark? Where 4?
The right side will be 4
Huh.
and the left side will be 8.
Okay. Okay. Now it is easy. Now these two are remaining.
Yes. 5 and 6.
Okay, very good. So 5 where, 6 where?
The 5 will be right side and the 6 will be left side.
5 will be here.
And the 6 will be right side. Left side.
Now only 2 are remaining. This should be easy. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing.
4 and 6.
So here there will be 6 and here there will be 4.
And 4.
So congratulations, you have filled in your first Sudoku. Right? Okay.
Yes.
So you can try this Sudoku again. Now, what you can do is you can forget this file and you try to fill in again on your own.
Yes.
So you will see that you will take a different route. Then you try to fill in the same thing. Okay, and then you try more difficult Sudokus, 9 by 9. Okay, so let us close now. And what we agreed is Friday 4 p.m. we will have this another session.
Yes.
Okay, and then whatever doubts on angles, clocks and angles, we will solve them.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.